Hello all Fusion 360 lovers. I've created this quick video on how to sketch out and make a part that there's no CAD files for. I went to Palulu's website where I'm buying the 9 or 9G stepper motor, and they don't have the actual CAD file, but thankfully they do supply the actual dimensions in a PDF file. And from there I've basically taken the PDF file and converted it to an image file and stripped all the different things that are, stripped all the words and other things and just taken the image of the drawing. From there I inserted the image through Canvas, and then once you do that, it will show up over here as canvases, and then you've got your actual canvas here. The first thing you want to do once you've got your canvas is to actually calibrate it. It's probably the most important part. So what you want to do is, I'll just change the thing so you can see it. Just bear with me a second. So basically, we've got 32.6 dimensions between there and roughly there. You can get in closer to get a good thing. So it's sort of 32, roughly, blah blah blah. I went more detailed and got in really close to get 32.6. So I've already calibrated that, and from there I picked the part that had the most components that I could either extrude, either up or down, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. So I've sketched out all the parts. It's still only flat on a two-dimensional plane. So you've got the sketch here, as you can see, two-dimensional plane. So we'll just pick two parts, this one and that one, and we'll just extrude it. Now, what I meant by up and down, or forward and back, is say if you want the part to come, so the part was 2.4 millimeters, so you got that way. So if you wanted to reverse that, you didn't want it to go that direction, you can go negative. There's also a feature, I think, to have it symmetry, so if you know that that's the line, the center line, then you could use the symmetric feature. However, I haven't got to that stage yet. I've done this with other parts, so I know that it does work, and it gives you a good idea of what the size of the parts that you need inside your project. That's basically it. So as I said, if you want to learn how to do that in more detail, just leave a message. Thanks for that. Bye.